Hypospermia is defined as a low volume of ejaculated semen. Taken into account the reference values of the World Health Organization, hypospermia is diagnosed when the male has a semen volume of less than 1.5 milliliters. The test performed to determine semen volume and diagnose if hypospermia or any other semen quality problem exists is the semenogram. Semen volume is considered normal when it's between 1.5 and 6 milliliters. And here it's important to mention that even though the World Health Organization published a new edition of the Laboratory Manual for the Examination and Processing of Human Semen in 2021, the truth is that it's most common to still follow the criteria of the previous edition from 2010. On the other hand, when the semen volume is very low, that is, when there's practically no ejaculate, we're facing a case of aspermia. Normally, this is due to an obstruction, or to retrograde ejaculation.